I don't want to jinx it, but this feels like where I want to be. Actually bringing it, like, it's so much so that it brings like a smile just from being here. Hello guys, we are in Gili on Gili. This is Gili. Wow, this is kind of the back roads of Gili. It's very kind of, what would I call it? I don't know. Back streets, you know? Near where we're staying, which is just around the corner. Just kind of exploring for the first time. Oh yeah, hello. I'll get back to you. Okay, so we're just, watch out for horse poo, I think. Seen some horse poo on the floor already. Seen some horse poo already. Oh gosh, he's got a motorbike. Why is he? He must be electric. Why is he allowed a motorbike? I guess it's electric, right? That's electric. You're allowed electric motorbikes.
So nice.
Yeah, it makes such a difference. I don't know if you've noticed, but there's no motorbikes. No motors at all.
And lots of bikes.
Yeah, lots of bikes. Just bikes everywhere. Like, this is kind of, I don't know. I guess because it takes probably 20 minutes or so, I assume, to walk from one side of the island to the other. You can kind of cycle it in, I guess, 2 or 5. Hello. Yeah, and it's just so much more peaceful. I noticed this, like, walking. Yeah, it says, thank you for not wearing the bikinis. Very nice. Yeah.
We just arrived.
Just
you
arrived.
saw us walking, no? With the bags. Just there.
Just down there.
See you later.
See you. Yeah, you can just feel like a bit more chill. I think the main road, which is kind of like where the ferry is, which is where we're heading. This way. It's gonna be, there's gonna be a bit more going on. Like I said, or in a different video, I have heard that this is like the party island, but can't hear any parties yet. Hello. Yeah, good. Everybody seems quite happy. Gosh, I just got photos on already. Crazy. As you can see, there's bicycles to rent everywhere. We just picked up these little snacks. 2 for 5,000. Wow, it looks like there's just like things, everything you want, and none of the noise, basically. All down the waterfront here, so you get off the boat down there somewhere, and all along the waterfront there's like bars, restaurants, and shops on these sides. More bars, more things. We're gonna head to the sunrise. Wow, Lombok looks amazing over there. Wow. I should just gone to the ATM. ATMs are just everywhere. There's no like walking however many kilometers in the dark down dusty roads. There's footpaths. Funny. I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but for me this is like what I've been looking for literally the whole journey. You can see here the sun kind of setting on the mountains over here. I think this is like Lombok here, Lombok, and then this will be Gili Air, I believe. But yeah, wow. Like I said, I don't want to jinx it, but this feels like where I want to be. Actually bringing it, like, it's so much so that it brings like a smile just from being here. This is kind of perfect. it's kind of what I've been looking for, I think, the whole time. Check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. It's gonna be so nice to be here, I think. We are like kind of, 10-minute, well, not even 5-minute walk to the beach, or this beach anyway. I imagine there's a beach on that side, and a beach on that side, and a beach on that side. I mean, it is an island after all. But yeah, cool. Look, no traffic. Only bicycles. I can hear a motor now. But yeah, really peaceful. Very peaceful. And some really nice places here. Like right, kind of on the beach, I guess. They're a little bit too like open to like everybody, I find. There's no privacy. Yeah, there's no privacy there. Another form of transport which you may have just seen go past me is horse and cart. So yeah, I'm not sure how much that would cost. We're wondering maybe we should have got that for the bags on the way here, or on the way to the guest house just now. Maybe we'll get it back. Maybe we'll get it back. Wow, there's footpaths on both sides of the road.
La brisa.
I say road. Is it? Might be. But yeah, really nice. So peaceful. Here's this place. Has like, I should just say it, like La Brisa type vibes. Looks like you can even surf here. I think the waves are pretty chilled out there as well. They're like nice and small. Really good for learning. But yeah, look, like people are surfing out there. The waves are tiny,
Yeah.
but they're actually really nice here. Really good for learning, I think. Yeah, wow. Literally got everything. It's even got this like snorkeling. There's various trips and stuff, to different things. Yeah. People know what YouTube is. There's a massage on the beach there. Yeah. Wow. Here's a horsey.
I see that they treat horses quite well here.
I feel like the horses are treated,
Yeah.
nicer.
They're
Wow, the
more-
waves are really nice.
Yeah.
Really nice. Like small, but clean.
Yeah, perfect.
It's perfect for. Wow. It's got snorkeling, it's got surfing, it's got a beach right there, it's got footpaths, it's got clear blue water, it's got bikes,
It's got monkeys.
it's got monkeys. No, it doesn't have monkeys, but it's got some monkeys. Not real monkeys, but other monkeys. Imaginative monkeys. Horses. Yeah, wow. Wow. Like this is kind of the, yeah, I don't know. For me, I don't know about you, but I'm like kind of blown away a little bit by it.
I am. It's just I'm quite blown away in my mind after the trip.
Yeah, I guess the journey here, like, this is kind of the, I guess the reward for the journey here.
Yeah.
I didn't find it too bad. Like there was
Around.
yeah. Oh yeah, there's no like little rungs around. But the prices don't seem to be too bad from what I've
I
seen.
know, but they have cooking pots. Oh, there is.
Should we have a look at the price? We're just gonna have a quick look at the prices here. 20, 35. Yeah, 30. Yeah. So that's like normal kind of. Gado gado is 25. Nasi campur, 15. Yo!
Come later.
Yes! Okay guys, so we're still walking down. I think we're walking towards the sunset point, which is kind of this way. Wow, this place is perfect for running as well. Land your helicopter there if you need to. Yeah, sure. I'll just get my helicopter first. But yeah, sunset looking good. And yes, have been already offered strange substances as well, which I don't think I've really had in Indonesia yet. Like that doesn't really happen as such, because I think, you know, there's such strict drug laws here that like it doesn't happen. But yeah, anyway, we're heading to the sunset this way. I don't know what mountain that is, but it looks amazing. Okay, we're going down, we're going that way, we're going this way. Hang on, just putting some rubbish in the bin. Tidy kiwi and all that. But I think this is the best sunset I've ever seen. Like ever. I think. Check it out. How crazy is that? Okay guys, we're gonna go over there where the music is. I don't know if you can see me anyway. But yeah, we're gonna go over there, I'll film it. So we're just kind of getting closer and closer to the pier, or like the harbour. So here's like loads of markets. I think we're heading kind of towards the night market for food. Oh, which is, I guess, over there. Okay, yes, this is definitely the night food market. Wow, there's like all sorts of fish, seafood, all on sticks. All sorts, wow. And then this is all sweets, check it all out.
2,000.
Wow.
Pandan Dreamland.
Yeah, it's also.
Pandan Heaven. Wow.
So it looks like we're gonna go.
Yeah, you have to join.
Wow, so many good things here. Wow. Loads of like kebab skewer things, like satays and all sorts. Wow. Look at it all, look at it all, look at it all. Crazy. This is kind of, again, what we've been missing, or even since Bandung, I think. We haven't had something like this.
Local fish and marlin fish.
Okay guys, got a lot of stuff here, but also got a lot of people around me, kind of eating, enjoying their food. So I think I'll just eat it and maybe let you know what it's all about. This cost 25,000. We do have like tempeh, tempeh, some sort of seafood, I'm not sure. Like a vegetable fritter, jackfruit, curry, all good. That's all 25,000, 25,000. And then in here we've got like two rice sweet things, 5,000 each. Yeah, I don't want to annoy people while they're eating, so I'm going to turn the camera off so they can enjoy themselves. Okay, it's all gone. All gone, food's all gone. People are gone actually, although we're getting more people sitting next to us, which is fine. Yeah, food really good, really good. And literally this is, so that's the pier, you can see, or like the harbour, when you come off the boat here. And it's literally just here. Yeah, I think maybe next time or tomorrow or something. I'm not sure if it happens during the week, but we might go over there and have like more barbecued stuff. But for now, this was amazing. Ash just turned into a bit of a zombie, so I'm just going to let her zombie out a little bit. And we will, yeah, I guess I'll check in with you in a bit. But yeah, food was really awesome. Highly recommend it. It's only like 25,000 for like a full plate, and basically, well, each like spoonful is like 5,000. So really affordable and good. And all sorts. You can get all sorts. I kind of want some more, but okay, guys. So we've done the food. I think we're heading to an apothec or like a pharmacy. If we can find one around. Maybe we should ask. Glass bottom boat. Oh, look, you could do pong there, whatever it is. So yeah, we're just gonna head down here. This way, loads more down here. Yeah, pretty amazing, all the way down the waterfront here. Still looking for that apothec. And then yeah, we're gonna go for that dessert. If I haven't said that already, I'm not sure. Okay guys, we stopped off, got some more of the sweet things. I got one green one and one other green one. One of them's got a banana in it, some green stuff, pandan, bit of coconut. Don't know what this one is. I don't know, but it's going in my mouth and I'm sure it's going to be amazing. It's getting really, really hectic actually down here. I think everybody must have come back off the boats, they've had their showers, they're all coming out for the dinners, there's the parties later. It's all going a bit chaotic. It's about time for me to leave. So we're heading home. Okay guys, that is pretty much it. We're heading back down our alleyway to our way. I'm pretty tired. Yeah, the party is starting. But for us, yes, the party is over. Until tomorrow, more parties to be had tomorrow. Nothing? Oh, okay. Thought you were going to say something. So yeah, that's it. Yo!
Hello.
Yes.
Good dinner, yeah. Thank you.
Good night. So yes, we're heading back. I don't know if you can see me even. Not much light down here, as you
Is
can
this
see.
a restaurant or a hotel?
It's a guest house. So yeah, we're heading back to our place. So gonna sign off here. If you can see me, not sure. But gonna say goodbye anyway. Oh gosh, we'll try and trip over. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below. Like. Share. We'll see you on the next one. Obviously the next one will be Gili tea. During the day. Yeah, so probably, I don't know. We're here for a few days. There will be snorkeling. Cycling. Swimming, all sorts, you know. Surfing maybe.
Playing guitar.
Playing guitar. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.